Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about AOC's 2 IPS gaming displays that are compatible with 280Hz or 0.5 milliseconds. So friend, AOC will begin dealing AG254FZ2 or 11 and AG274FZ2 11 Full HD LCD displays from AOC. And friend, the LCD screen employs Fast IPS technology and offers high-speed drawing with refresh rate of 280Hz and reaction time of 0.5 millisecond. And friend, in addition, low input lag to decrease signal input delay such as mouse and keyboard, frame counter to display frame rate, and quick switch keypad, connected remote control to operate OSD menu, and the AGON logo on the dash can equipped with a logo projector that shows flicker free and low blue mode eye care function on the display screen. And friend, first of all I will talk about the AG254FZ2 11 model. And friend, it is a 24.5-inch model with a screen SIM to help you focus on the game. And the specification include brightness of 400 Kelvin per meter square, contrast ratio of 1000 Gem1, a color gamut of NTSC 95%, sRGB 111%, and DCI-P3 87%, and color accuracy of less than delta E2, and the display colors of 16.7 million. And the interface include HDMI 2.0x2, DisplayPort 1.4x2, and speaker is 5W x2, and the stand is height adjustable by 130 mm. The VESA mounter has a pitch of 100x100 mm. And friend, the second model is AG274FZ2 and friend, it is a 27-inch model that lacks a screen protector, and the specification include a brightness of 400 Kelvin per meter square, contrast ratio of 1000 Gem1, color gamut of NTSC 94%, sRGB 110%, DCI-P3 85%, and color accuracy of less than delta E2, and the display colors of 16.7 million colors. And friend, the interface include HDMI 2.0x2, DisplayPort 1.4x2, and the speaker is 5W x1, and the stand is height adjustable by 120 mm, and the VESA mounter has a pitch of 100x100 mm. And friend, the prices are be announcing soon. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.